Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aunt Jan. Happy birthday to you.
Do you want to put a show on for her birthday?
Yes.
Okay, go put on a show and I'll hold your popsicle really quick.
Okay. Don't let it melt.
Okay, this is a birthday show, Aunt Jan. She can whenever I send her this video. Oh no, we'll come up here closer where there's no bread. She can't see you way back there. Lincoln, come here.